Hi, my name is June, the factory owner of the Foodkin Factory. My factory is in Philippines. The sun condition really good and almost sunny all the year around. And the city grid is very stable, but the problem is the electricity bill is really high. This is the electricity bill in January. We use 80,000 kilowatt-hour in 1 month. We spend $7,000 for 80,000 kilowatt-hour. It is really expensive. So we talked to Mars Solar team. They suggest to use a 400 kilowatt on-grid solar system. This solar system works in daytime only, so does our factory. I am really grateful that Mars Solar team sent 3 engineers for the installation, and I sent 14 workers work with them. The installation done in 10 days, fast and clean. After we finish installation, I can see the daytime solar panel generation every day. I am really surprised the electricity bill went zero in the second month. And after calculating, the system can be paid back within 1.5 years. Which means I can enjoy free electricity bill after 1.5 years. I will not afraid the electricity company raise the bill without any reasons anymore. The system works so well, so I plan for another 400 Ku solar system. And Mars Solar team will help for the installation later this year.